Yeah. The Sprinters are nice too. They're a little bit, you can get them a little bit bigger, eh?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you all well and good. Today we are shopping for RVs with Rob Fretz from RVDreamz. He's one of our fellow guild members, our camping guild. He's also the photographer that took the picture for my hot rod t-shirts, if you guys have seen any of them.
Would that be still not big enough?
Super B.
Is that what that's called?
Yeah. Like this one's got the bump outs, which is awesome, but that's a Super B.
Yeah. I've been thinking about making mine into bump outs. Thinking about redoing the bed. This is what I want.
Yeah?
That grill. Yeah. I heard you can get them. Like aftermarket.
I don't know if there'd be a big difference between the two.
Have you seen the Unity ones?
No.
Like this? Man, they got like self-leveling jacks and everything. I imagine you probably get them on these as well.
I think they do. I could be totally wrong. I don't see any jacks on it.
See, this has way more room.
Yeah, it'll feel literally twice the size.
Oh yeah. And still, I'm assuming a bathroom. Yeah. Oh, look, a shower, not even a wet bath. I'd rather have a composting toilet, but...
Yeah, but this is the idea. Like, if I was going to do a van, this is the size that I would go for. And then I would have it custom built because I'm a dick.
Yeah.
I would want to have things my way.
Yeah, no, see, I could see myself doing something like this, pre-made.
Yeah, as long as you have everything where you want it and how you want it. Like, instead of the back bench, I just have a bed.
Oops. So if this had a price, $250,000.
Yeah, see, for $250,
should buy two of
what
them.
I'm going to look at for less than $250.
Yeah, we should buy two of them.
Oh. No, you want to see the Super.
How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks.
I might like that. I mean, it's got the extra axle, which I don't want. It could be talked into it.
Holy crap, tile floor, man. It's nice that you can still get around in it when it's folded in. You know what I mean? Like if you had to pull over the side of the road and make lunch, you still could.
Yeah, well, that's my biggest thing. It's like residential fridge, and they have the water maker, which I'm huge on the water maker. But here's your half bath.
Oh, and the kitchen slides out too here, I see.
Yeah, there should be 4 slides altogether. So these two look like they're out already, which is nice. There are little things that I'm looking for, and they're non-negotiable for me.
And what's this? Like, what's the price of this?
About $150, $175, something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so when they're used, they're dirt cheap. This is your washer and dryer right here.
Yeah.
Or washer and dryer in one.
Yeah.
Which is shit. I'd rather have washer, dryer, rather than washer and dryer in one.
No, but it probably saves space. That's why they do that. But I mean,
Well,
so
yeah.
you can convert it, I'm sure.
Like, I'm not big of the corner sink. I'm not a huge fan of that. I'd rather have a Jack and Jill.
Yeah.
But you make sacrifices in certain places. Like, for the size of it, it
This
should
is
have that.
Easy. Oh, I can't believe it's only got... And what's it got for, like, mileage on it?
I have no idea.
Diesel pusher or something, I'm assuming?
Oh, yeah, definitely a diesel pusher.
Man, do they ever make these RVs big and luxurious. If you follow Rob on his channel, RVDreamz, you guys will remember that they've had some problems with their last RV. And Rob's looking to upgrade for an exciting new chapter of his life. But that's his story to tell, and I definitely encourage you to go check out his channel, RVDreamz, where I'm sure he's going to be telling you all about his new adventure over the next year.
Oh man, would you ever feel like king of the road driving this thing down the
Well, the best part is there's a floor that comes out from here.
Yeah.
So instead of your feet dangling, your feet are on the floor.
Yeah. And imagine these swivel around for the.
I think so.
Yeah, right at the front. There's a little. Yeah. Right here.
Okay, yeah. Nope, it's not going. I'm not gonna play with a button. If it's that stiff, I'm leaving it alone.
Yeah.
But the nice thing is, like, you got all these little map light right here. Got the step cover.
Oh, hey, look, all powered and everything. Oh, I'll jump in the back. You get in the front. You're buying. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he installed, these wouldn't be original, he installed like massage chairs. Office desk thing there.
Oh, okay, now I need to go straight into the office.
Right?
Oh, the keyboard drawer, no worries.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So that drops down.
Ha!
I like it. I have no idea what this is, but it's interesting. It's magnetic.
Looks like a remote or something.
I also have no idea what that is.
I like the fridge. I don't know, you think it would almost attach to my knees.
Oh, it's got the separate washer and dryer that you wanted.
Does it? I didn't even see that yet.
Well, you walked right by them.
Without a doubt I did. Two full-length mirrors on that side. Why is this not opening yet? That's why.
It's not a storage compartment. It's probably your plumbing access.
Yeah. Well, that's a big enough drawer, isn't it?
Holy smokes, yeah.
You got pulled up drawers here too on the bench.
I was gonna say I'm not big on the bench, but now that I've got a desk, I don't give a shit.
The desk is a nice touch.
I'd have to have a couch instead of those chairs.
So during this shopping trip, Rob didn't purchase an RV, but they're off talking financing and pricing and working out their deal, so we'll let them do that. I wanted to come over and check out this pop-up roof tent. It's kind of a neat idea. I wouldn't do it in mine just because I like to go through 40 below winter with my vehicle. But if you're just using it for the summer and, you know, fall, spring, light stuff, man, that'd be a pretty cool feature, especially if you're traveling with a child. I won't even tell you what they're asking for this thing. Well, mainly because I forgot, but they are really expensive, $250 plus, and yeah, but you do get a lot for that money, especially if you're not into building your own. I really like this one. I thought it was nice and clean and looked very modern. I like the light colors. Well guys, that's it for another episode. Like I say, check out Rob Fretz on his channel, RVDreamz. He's actually got a coaching channel as well for personal growth and all that. But yeah, it was a fun day. But like I say guys, stay safe, get out there, have yourself some fun, and as always, go get yourself on an adventure. Till next time guys.